Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital Rim, and in this video we're going to show you how to do green screen in OBS. And you might be asking, what's green screen? Essentially replacing the green with transparency. So you've probably seen it on some videos where the background is a virtual background or is unseeable, it's transparent. Well, we're going to show you how to do that right now in OBS Studio. So let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just pretty much set up this green screen. If you have a background similar to this, go ahead and set up your green screen in for your backdrop. Now everywhere that's green is going to end up being transparent. So let's just go right into it. We're going to click add to add a new source, and then we're going to go to the video capture device. See if I can find it here. I don't know why I'm struggling. Here, video capture device right here. Boom. Now you can name this capture device anything you want. We're going to do camera 1 for us, for our situation, camera 1. And we're going to make it green screen. So we're going to put this in brackets, green screen. Now we could keep most of the default settings. Just make sure you're capturing the right device and then hit OK. Okay, so the interface feels a little cramped. It looks like it could use more room, so we're going to adjust the interface. And if you want to learn how to do this, you could go to watch our video, customize user interface for OBS, and learn how to do that as well. So now you just want to right click on the source and go to filters. And now you see we have audio filters and effect filters. We want to add a new effect filter. And you see there's all of these different effect filters that you can add to your actual source. It's tempting to select color key if you don't know the difference, but what you want to select is Chroma key. Chroma key is going to allow you to key out the green. So you can see automatically it starts to key out the green. Become a Patreon today and support this community and support this channel. You might be asking, why would I want to do that? Well, one of the reasons is we are creating coding camps and tech camps for kids, and a lot of the Patreon dollars will go towards setting up those coding and tech camps with equipment and all of the things that are necessary to teach younger generations how to do some of the digital media techniques that we teach here at Digital Rim. So with that being said, your Patreon dollars will go towards scholarships for certain members of the Digital Rim community. So with that being said, make sure you get your membership, but at the same time, become a Patreon if you're not really interested in becoming a member just yet. Let's go. And essentially you're 90% of the way there. Now it's just a matter of fine-tuning the actual values here to make your key a little bit better. So as you see, as we toggle some of these settings even higher, it changes the value. As you can probably see the noise on my desk there. Now, if you happen to be running into this issue where your frame is being transparent, if you probably notice on the left side of my screen, once I get rid of this window, but my frame is being transparent, just move your layer below the layer that you want to be opaque, and now your frame will come back and not have that transparency over it. Now that we have the transparency applied to the source, we're going to go ahead and crop in the frame. So we're going to hold down Alt, click and drag, and you'll see this green line show up, and you just simply crop in the areas that are not transparent right now. Let's go ahead and just position the frame by clicking and dragging, and you can position your frame here or wherever you want, really. You can position your frame just like any other source that you would have. Now that we have the source built out, we're going to go ahead and copy this and toggle it off, and we're going to paste it into a new scene so you can see the transparency background. So we're pasting it in here. Now you can take the opportunity to refine your actual key. As you see, the black that we couldn't notice before is transparent, so we want to fix that. So again, right click in the source, go to filters, and you see we have the chroma key here. We're just going to go back to chroma key, toggle the settings until it looks good again. And as you see, it's a balance between the foreground and the background. You want to get rid of the noise in the background for sure, but you don't want to get rid or make transparency on your foreground. So you just have to Find that sweet spot. I feel like this is as good as it's gonna get, so we're gonna go ahead and save that. And now you can see our footage is behind us and we are overlaid over the top with transparency. That's simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, go to digitalrim.com and become a member today. With your membership, you get access to our course library. We have all different types of digital media content creation topics that you can cover and learn for yourself. Very beginner friendly, just like this video. So with that being said, go to digitalrim.com and get your membership today. And don't forget, join our Discord community at the link below. You can get access to a lot of topics and discussions about these videos just like this from members of the Creator Camp. So with that being said, hopefully I'll see you in the Discord community in the link below. Let's go.